What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing what's in this box today, and I've actually wanted to switch this out since I bought the STI because of where we live. Now you probably already know what's in the box by the title of this video, but we're going to be doing this after. Right now we are at the car wash. We're going to wash the cars. They're just filthy because of the snow we got. So we're going to wash the cars and then we're going to do it at your house?
Yeah, we're going to head to my house and install that, and then
we'll show you guys. Use this because it probably won't come off with just soap and water. So I'm gonna scrub it down, this microfiber thing.
So Nestor is actually going to be picking up some STI side skirts tomorrow. We kind of always question why his STI came with WRX side skirts, which I don't know why, but it still looks nice.
So I want to give a huge shout out to Rob. He's one of the people that follows us, subscriber. He actually came in contact with us and he said that he makes custom decals. So we hit him up and he actually sent out a banner just to see if we like the quality of it. So we're going to throw it on today on the STI finally. And I'm sure I'm going to like it. I mean, it's vinyl, it's fine.
Is it the same one as
yeah, it's the same one as Nestor's. So we sent him the file, he made us one and he sent it over. So we are planning to release some pretty soon. I haven't told you guys, but I got a ticket with the rental, not this car, damn rental minivan that we took to LA. Got a ticket.
I wonder why you got a ticket with that.
You know, we're rocking a minivan on this trip, but that doesn't mean we can't send it. Hold on tight, brother. So, you have to line up the
Oh my god!
I think we pick each other up more on this channel than we do installs. He sent out like YouTube, see what you, so this is sick. We didn't ask him for this and he just sent it to us.
That is tight. Maybe some of you are asking why I don't have the bug eye. It's actually getting how do I say it?
Powder coated.
It's getting the flares properly installed right. So the CUS side skirts got cut from here, and the guy that's actually doing them, he's a really cool dude. He's like pulling out the flare to align with the side skirt, and he's like making a fiberglass out of it, and he's kind of molding it. So I should be getting it back in the next week, so I'm pretty excited on that.
Is it good?
Dude, that came out good. It actually came out really good.
You know why that happened? Because there's no fender liner anymore.
So everything just comes in.
What's in the box? Another box. Oh. No, it doesn't. It's right here.
That means a short ram. That's all there is to.
No, I thought it didn't come with this.
I
was like, well, that defeats the purpose. Now, a lot of people ask, what's the difference between a short ram and a cold air intake? I don't really know much on it. I won't touch too much on it, but cold air sits down by the wheel. So if I were to get into like a puddle or something with how much it snows here, not this year, fortunately, but if I were to get water in there and it sucked it up into the intake, water going straight into the turbo, so that's not good. So what I did was I got a Cobb short ram, and this is gonna sit right here in the engine bay.
Off, right? Yeah. That's off.
Okay.
Now we're gonna get to these, right?
So there it is. Same exact diameter. No retune.
The cold air? I mean, not the cold air.
Sitting kind of
filter.
high, dude.
Try it.
You forgot to clamp on that one too. What? Oh, god damn it.
Move this one.
There's no clamp in here, Daniel. Screw it in. Yes.
We ran into a problem. The Cobb intake is now in. See that? But it's hitting right here. And I was wondering why it was hitting. Then I realized the AEM intake comes with this like coupler. So this is meant for that one because the piping goes straight into down here. So we're gonna go get Diego's stock one from the Bug Eye, and we're gonna put it right here, and then it's gonna make the filter kind of come this way. It's funny, every time we're gonna do an install, we ask ourselves, should we go eat first or should we install it? And this was literally supposed to be like a 5-minute thing, and it's turned into like an hour just because I was like confusing that little inlet hose. But I got the stock one on there, then I'm just gonna throw the filter on. Now that bracket that goes down here makes a lot more sense. Now these guys are just waiting for me to finish because they're cold. They're just sitting in the car. Where'd you get this from? So guys, we got the short ram intake all in. I think for next...
Got it dirty!
That was not me.
Oh, damn.
How could I do that? Anyways, I think next video we're gonna be doing a cleaning your engine bay video because look at Nestor's.
That's just clean, bro.
Clean, bro. And then we go over to mine.
I take care of my stuff.
Look at this, dude. Yeah, we gotta clean this. There's a beach over here. All that sand. I actually thought that the cold air intake was pretty loud. This one, it seems like it's just as loud, huh?
Yeah, it sounds the same.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna like get quieter, but it's pretty loud still.
Okay. It took us how long to fucking 2 hours to put a fucking...
It took us like 2 hours to put a short rim intake on. Not our fault. Sometimes things just go wrong, you know. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. The short ram is now inside the car. It took us a little longer than expected. That's alright.
It was just AEM filter.
Yeah. But this should be better for the wintertime around here. Now I can go snow drifting now.
With what snow though?
What snow? There's no snow. But I was just worried about water getting into that cold air intake, and now we're good to go. I just need to cover the those side holes where the cold air intake would go down into the wheel well, because I'm not running fender liner anymore, so I'm risking like water getting thrown up in there still. So I'm just gonna buy something, cover that up in next video. So we're gonna go find some stuff and then clean it out. His too, because it's dirty, huh?
I haven't had it. It has like a bunch of dust and dirt, so we'll get that cleaned up, bro. Guys, and we will catch you guys in the